Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't mind my hair. It's RV hair. Well, anyway, we're gonna make an Amish garlic chicken noodle dinner for tonight. And I'm using my little slow cooker, and I turned it on low. We're gonna go low and slow for 4 to 5 hours, okay, on this. And I'm cutting this in half for Farron and I, but it's normally 2 pounds of chicken breast diced, and there's Farron. And so I have 2 chicken breasts that I'm dicing up, and we're going to put it in the slow cooker. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil on the bottom. And we're going to dice this up. And these were like pre-frozen chicken breasts. And just heat them up. Put them in the bottom of your slow cooker. And they're still a little frozen, but that's okay. Alright, so in the bottom of the pot they go. Alright, and in this pot, as I use as my bowl, I have 2 cups of chicken broth. That's the better than bouillon. And in this little pot, we are going to melt a stick of butter. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of garlic, okay, because it's normally 2 pounds of chicken, 4 cups of broth, 2 sticks of butter, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and a 12-ounce bag of egg noodles. So I'm going to use like half of that, so about 6 ounces for me. So we're going to melt this, and I'm going to add some pepper to the chicken. I just put pepper on top, and I'll bring you back when this is all melted. Okay, now we're going to add our tablespoon of garlic. Okay. We're going to let that get a little fragrant real quick. Then we're going to pour this over the chicken. You don't really want it like brown butter. Okay, I call that good. Okay, I'm going to raise you up. Can you see? I'm just going to pour all this goodness over top. And make sure you scrape out all your garlic in the pan. Okay. Now we're going to add our 2 cups of chicken broth. Let me get that for you. And all goes in. And we're going to stir this all together. And put the lid on. So guys, now we just let it sit, slow cook for 4 to 5 hours. And then right before it's done, about a half an hour, 45 minutes, we'll put the noodles in and let it go. And then I'll probably make it like a side salad, or maybe some mac and cheese, or maybe I'll do some broccoli. Yeah, probably broccoli. And that will be dinner tonight. Anyway, guys, I'm excited for this, and I'll see you in a YouTube minute. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add some cream of chicken in this to make it a little bit more creamier. I am changing the recipe a bit. I have about 1/4 of a can left. And I might as well go ahead and use it. And we'll just give it a little bit of something to it. It probably won't thicken it up too much, but it'll give it something. And then here in a bit, we'll be adding some noodles. Okay guys, we're going to add some noodles. And we're going to let this cook for about another half an hour. And I'm putting in some egg noodles. Okay guys, is done. And I'm going to just dish it up. This is more like a glorified chicken noodle soup. Except the Amish named it differently, and plus I added some cream of chicken into it. But yeah, that's the only thing different. But it looks good. It smells great. guys, this is what we're having for dinner. What are you having? Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. See you soon.